Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add cards. The region settings for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, for that open settings and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update like this for you, simply update it and after this go back and now check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply scroll below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here and turn on the toggle for set automatically. So guys, do this and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to language and region, and then you have to simply tap on region, and from here you have to simply ensure your device region settings matches your card issuer's country. So guys, you have to simply ensure your device region settings matches your card issuer's country, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. Or if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change your settings or region from here for your card issuer. So guys, you have to simply change your region according to your card issuer's country, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help or regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.